Police identify shooter of Alpha student. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, police army operations to increase this weekend.
Kingston Container Terminal officially divested.
There's also the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking National Security Minister Robert Montague says the Army has been deployed this weekend to address the country's crime problem. Do you agree with this deployment?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet @TelevisionJam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns right after this break.